about racing. Project E. Finally, you show yourself. That's an FD. What's that? An H6.
What's going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to Project Zangetsu. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the vlog. This is the next day after my tragic accident, once again. And I'm just on my way to go and check out a certain panel beater to see if I can get a quote. But on my way there, I'm just struggling from a hectically bad toothache, so I'm stopping at the local shopping center close to where Speecho stays, just for me to get some medication. Now, any of you that have been keeping up with current events, especially what's legal and what's not legal in terms of a person medicating themselves, you'll understand why I am here specifically. Okay guys, so we've arrived here at Ngwenya panel beating, as you can see behind me. So the guys have just had a look at the car and they've given me an estimate both on the side damage here and also what it would cost me additionally to finally fix the quarter panel. So it's looking pretty good, pretty reasonable. I'm pretty happy with it. So now it's just a matter of continuing negotiations with my attacker. Well guys, we're back home and that's gonna conclude it for this installment of this accident aftermath saga. So I'm pretty happy with the prices I got. It actually puts me a bit at ease to know that it's something that I could actually afford even if I had to pay for it myself. So it's sort of like a nice sort of like plan B to have It's reassuring to know that it's affordable, and it's also reassuring to know that it won't be an astronomical price to give to the guy that hit me for him to consider as well, because ultimately it is kind of his responsibility. I mean, I have had another look at the damage since yesterday, and it's very telling that the point of impact indicates the fact that I was halfway past him already before he started actually reversing. Otherwise, the impact would have been more towards the front than it was to the back. So it definitely wasn't a fault of my own that the collision happened. So yeah, the verdict is, in my head, it's definitely his fault, unfortunately. So yeah, me and him are still in talks, and we'll be concluding this soon. And I'm going to be sent a PDF copy of what the estimate for the cost of repairs is going to be from the panel beater. So I'll be forwarding that to him as well, and then we'll go from there. Otherwise, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's not an awesome one, but it is something for the algorithm gods. And if you did, please click on the thumbs up icon to leave us a like. And if you'd like to see more from Project Zangetsu, please go ahead and click subscribe, and be sure to hit that bell icon so you are notified each and every time I drop new content on this here channel. As usual, people, take care of each other, stay awesome, and keep the dream alive. Peace.
Grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff, everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once.